How to instant transfer money from Venmo to bank account. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can do exactly that. So if you're trying to instantly transfer money from Venmo, you first have to open up your Venmo and make sure that you're logged in. Once you are logged into the account, the first thing you have to do is find your wallet section, and from your wallet you'll see your Venmo balance right here. Now all you have to do is tap on the transfer option, but you are gonna have to link your bank account beforehand, so make sure that your bank account is already linked. Tap on transfer, then you will see a page something like this where you have an option to transfer. Just click on this transfer amount and make sure it's set to instant. And once you've done that, the transfer will be initiated and it will be reviewed, which may result in delays or fund being frozen or removed from your Venmo account. Once the transfer has been initiated, it will automatically show you that the transfer has been successful once the account is removed, once the balance is removed from your account. And then finally, it will help you see the transaction history, where your balance went and when. All of its detail will be shown right here. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.